Kim, and I am General Manager for YY Nation. So YY Nation's journey started when our founding director was on holiday with his family, and his daughter was mesmerized by the color that was in the sand. And it came to be that he realized that the sand was actually made up of a lot of plastic bits. And so from that, he sort of had the aha moment of, we need to do something about this. We need to change the way we do things in order to preserve and restore the environment for the future generations. In creating the shoe, what we wanted to do was really question every component of the shoe and sort of dissect it and sort of study it and see if there was other alternatives that would be better suited to the job. Things that were made out of natural components, recycled components, that could do just as good a job as the synthetics, but be a little bit more kinder to our environment, to our earth. We were looking for people that could not only provide solutions for our business's current needs, but also had a curious spirit. People that were going to continuously challenge us and help us to grow to be better than what we were yesterday. Asset Factory are an amazing bunch of people, amazing bunch of creatives who just service-hearted, passionate, and a joy to work with. The immediate feeling that you get when you walk into the studio is just a warm embrace in terms of the people. The professionalism that you guys have is outstanding. I guess the best part is that you've got the choice of being here in person or being able to sort of coordinate remotely. The fact that it's sort of efficient, but also it helps us to overcome the traditional barriers of e-commerce and communication. What we're really excited about is creating a customer journey and experience that sort of is seamless across the different online platforms. So going from social to e-commerce, and an experience that is enriched with content, whether it be imagery or video, and we believe wholeheartedly that we've achieved that with the help of Asset Factory.